Let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend on a daily basis using your phone, whether you're playing games, reading something on Google, or just texting with other people? I reckon most of you spend quite a bit of your time on your phone every single day. And I'm asking you this because I recently came across the site here which you can see actually make money through your phone. And if that's not enough, it also works for a desktop, computer, or laptop as well. All of these people from all over the globe who have made money with this site, and if you want to as well, then make sure you keep watching now. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you would like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up below so you don't miss out any future videos to come, and then click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so a website we'll be using today to make money by literally just clicking is this one right here called paidwords.com. Now, even though this may seem like your regular website that will pay you for clicking, this one is a bit different from the rest because it has a very unique point system, and you'll see that soon enough. With that being said, how this site actually works for you, you can see right here. You basically have a bunch of companies and websites who need advertising, and so that would do is pay paid rewards here, and then paid words will give a part of that money out to the people who have clicked on those ads. It's a very simple yet effective system where both parties will be satisfied. This site that paid this platform for advertisement will get the desired traffic. Meanwhile, the people who have clicked on those ads who have made money for absolutely free with basically no work involved, and as you can see to the right here, you can even do both, so advertise and also make money yourself. With that being said, guys, something I really wanted to show you that I know you love, and you can see right down here, not only you can make money with this site with your computer or laptop, but also with a tablet or phone. Just like I promised you in the intro that it doesn't matter if it's an Android or iOS device because this supports both of them. Something else quite important I want to go over is how we'll be getting paid with this platform, and that you can see on the very bottom of the page. They unfortunately do not seem to offer PayPal, so that's a bit of a downside, but I think they more than make up for that with the sheer amount of other payment options they offer. You have Gear Pay, Pool Pay, Net Teller, you cash support, web money, payer, Bitcoin, and last but definitely not the least, perfect money. So as I said a second ago, even though they don't offer PayPal, I think that thanks to the sheer amount of other payment options they have, you'll be able to get paid. Nevertheless, the fact that it has so many different payment options available and that it supports both iOS and Android devices, however, are far from the only good features of this website. On this page, here you can see payment proofs that prove that this is a legit website because there are people getting paid varying amounts of money with literally every single day. Obviously, we are not talking about thousands of dollars here, guys, because you do have to keep in mind that this site will pay you for clicking on ads, which not only is not hard to do, but requires literally no expertise from your side, as anyone can do that regardless. Though, as you can see, some people have made around $10 to $20 a day with this platform, and making that much money with a site like this is actually great. And in the end, you'll buy something with that money, so it will help you in the end. With all of that said, though, it only gets better from there, because we can also see on this page that it's worldwide available, because the people it is paid out here are literally all from different parts of the globe. So no matter wherever you're coming from, this site will most definitely work for you. In summary, guys, this is a fantastic website, and as far as getting paid for just clicking on ads, it's really one of the best out there. And so with that bit of info about the way, let me show you what you need to do on this site so you can actually start making money with this. Your very first step will be to click on the register button right here so that you can create your brand new account. On the next page, you'll have to enter in a unique username, your password, which will you need to retype as confirmation, and finally your email address. Once you enter all of that, and you'll then choose your gender, enter in your date of birth, complete this captcha by selecting a particular icon requested, this tick box to agree to all the terms, and finally click an open account. Just below, once you enter in all of the data to create your account, you'll now need to head over to your Gmail to confirm that the email address you entered is actually yours. To finish this process, to do so, you'll have to open up message from Paid Words that will look something like this, and you'll just need to click in this link here so that you can start using this site to make money. Once you do create your account and confirm your email address, this is how Paid Words will look. And when you log in onto the dashboard, you'll be able to track your earnings, which of course for that time being will be $0, but that will change real soon. Anyways, something I really do love about this platform, guys, is that they offer few different methods for you to make money. You can make money by clicking on ads, you can make money by completing various offers, and although these takes a bit more time and effort to complete, they actually pay quite a lot, and you can expect like a $10 to $20 per single offer. And if you are willing to invest a tiny bit more time into this, completing this is not a bad idea. The last two things they offer for you to get paid are Ptc Vault, which will basically pay you for going to a particular website and staying there for like 5 to 10 seconds at most, and then you can also play games as well. And this, I think many of us will like pay, because games is of course fun and will pay you for more than clicking on those ads as a bonus. Anyways, this is a video to show you how to make money by clicking on those ads. Let me show you what you'll need to do to get paid. You want to click on paid ads here. First, on the next page, you'll just have to scroll down a bit, and then you came across these ads here. To get paid, just click on view activation ad, and that's really all that's it. In the case you run out of these, then I highly recommend you check on the bonus ads that have just about these. They came in very handy if you run out of ads to click on this. Another way you can make money by clicking on ads is click grid. The way this works is as follows. You can click on any box in this image here, and doing so will take you to the another page, will see you an ad, and you'll return to Paid Words. You'll get paid, as simple as that. With all of that said, guys, if you don't want to play the games and complete the offers, then I would highly recommend you to give Ptc Vault a try. Not that's different from viewing those ads, because you'll just see that just by viewing other websites, that's literally the only difference that I get to get paid. As you can see, click on any of these, wait a few seconds, and then came back to Paid Words, and I'll get paid as easy as that. For those of you willing to maximize your results and make as much money as possible, I would recommend you to make money through all of these methods. just focus on grit. Don't just focus on playing games, but instead try all of these order to make this as much as money you can do. And keep in mind that these don't make you rich. They pay quite decently, but it's not a crazy amount of money, so that's for sure. With that being said, this is it for today's video, guys. Bye, see you soon.